This is the Z-LED Linear, Ansell Lighting's powerful and durable surface-mounted IP65 linear high bay. In the box, you will find the Z-LED linear fitting, instructions, and 2 suspension kits. Other items you may require include fixing screws, click connection block, and galvanized hook plate. Please remember each installation will vary depending on installation environment conditions. Prep the cable and attach it to the click connector. Measure the suspension cable. Then attach the cable to the Z-LED linear luminaire. Turn off the electrical supply. Accurately mark up and measure out for the fitting. Drill a hole for your electrical supply and pull it through. Cut and prep your electrical supply. Attach the clip connector. Attach the brackets to the ceiling. Then attach the suspension cables to both brackets. Link up both ends of your clip connector. Restore the electrical supply. Then switch on your luminaire. For more information, please visit our website today.